Home screen. Home screen is the startup screen, contains system layout and basic information about the system. Navigation to basic screens could be done by clicking their area. Let's start with Compact Substation 1 and 2. This screen shows status of each device at CSS01 and CSS02, including inverters, breakers, power meters, energy meters, protection relays, temperature relays and line status. Clicking on any inverter will open small window with basic information of this inverter. Pressing the arrow opens a larger window that contains all inverter details. Click on Trend icon next to any value to show its trend. Pending alarms and historical alarms can be previewed for each inverter. Clicking on Trend icon opens a window where trends are previewed with each other. Clicking on the power meter icon will open small window with basic information of power and energy at the low voltage side. Pressing the arrow opens a larger window that contains all power meter details. Click on Trend icon next to any value to show its trend. Clicking on the energy meter icon will open small window with basic information of power and energy at the high voltage side. Pressing the arrow opens a larger window that contains all energy meter details. Click on Trend icon next to any value to show its trend. There are temperature readings next to the temperature relay. For more details, click on the temperature relay icon. The protection relay icon is blinking, that means it's in alarm condition. Click on it to preview its alarms. Also, an alarm symbol pop up with text to get operator attention. Now let's move to Compact Substations 3 and 4. This screen has the same features of the previous screen. Also, you can navigate to any screen through navigation window. Medium voltage switchgear. This screen shows status of each device at medium voltage switchgear, including energy meters, protection relays, temperature sensors, breakers, HVAC and fan status. Low voltage switchgear. This screen shows status of each device at low voltage switchgear, including power meters, temperature relays, UPS, breakers, HVAC and fan status. Cause and effect. This screen helps the operator to monitor inputs and outputs and to understand the logic of the operation. Weather station. This screen shows all weather station parameters such as wind speed, temperature and pressure. Also, there is another section for online weather forecast. Fire and gas. This section helps the operator to locate the faulty devices and understand the layout of fire and gas system. Click on the arrows to navigate the screens of this section. Alarm screen. This screen consists of 3 sections: alarm history, online alarms and system alarms. You can know alarm state from the color code. Green means normal, red means active, white means acknowledged. Trends screen. Through this screen you can preview trends for grid, load, PV panels and global radiation. Now, let's go back to home screen. Through the header you can access PLC web server, navigate to home screen and maintenance screen. This screen shows maintenance schedule plans. When it's time to perform any task it will flash in red. After completing the task, you have to check the icon next to it, then it will stop flashing. Back to header. The silence button is used to enable or disable the siren. Now, the siren is enabled. If there is an alarm condition, the siren will work. Pressing the same button will silence the siren again. In case of new alarm, the siren will be enabled automatically. Let's move to our last screen. Power plant controller. This screen contains general information about the system such as total connected devices and total active power. The PPC settings can be entered only by the administrator. So, you have to sign in first by pressing the user icon at the header. Now you can enter the required settings. Speaking of user management, if you signed in with administrator you can edit other users. Right-click on users icon to open user management page. You can edit user group, password and log-off time for any user. Also you can add new users. That's it and thanks for watching.